Hey guys, just had to make a real quick video here. So, browsing Reddit, don't do it often because I don't really care. But someone posted blah 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 about something at Knott's Berry Farm. And someone here in the comments, this guy was talking about the time that bull valleyed, and he linked one of my videos. Which, thanks, shout out. And this guy called me an idiot because this guy described how they removed the train on bull when it valleyed. This guy called me an idiot, so let's prove him wrong here. So bull did valley on my birthday, actually, in 2016. You can see right there the yellow train. And I also thought that this was unusual, the way that they removed it from the track, but they cut a piece of track out. If you look here, they cut a piece of track out and they would just remove the entire thing. Oh, yep, see right there. Look behind the first car, see where that maintenance guy is standing. Piece of track was removed. They didn't take apart the wheel assemblies or anything like that. They literally cut the track, and that's how they removed the train. And this was a great Snapchat someone sent me that day. But yeah, let's go back to what that guy said. So this guy commented exactly how they did it. These guys are acting like he's wrong. This guy posted my video. This guy says there's no proof. And this guy called me an idiot. So there's your proof. Turns out you've been the idiot. You're the idiot all along. Who would have thunk? Who would have thunk? Don't even try to prove me wrong in anything. I'm an expert ride operator. You are nothing. More videos soon, guys. See ya.